to this TicketCo support video tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be taking you through how to set up events, how to set up different ticket types and assign prices to those ticket types. And we will also look at how you can add a seat map to your event and how you could copy an event. So if you have any other questions or want to dig a bit deeper after you've watched this tutorial, please have a look at our complimentary support articles. Once you have logged into the TicketCo platform, you'll be presented with your dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see a variety of options, and to start creating events, you want to select the Events button. In here is where you'll see any of your upcoming events, any ended events, and any unpublished events you're still working on under draft. To start creating an event, select the Create New Event button. First of all, you're going to set up your event details. At the very top, you can decide what you want to call your event under title. Under image, you can upload a nice picture to complement your event description, which is entered in this box here. You can also input any restrictions, and under obligatory fields is where you'll input when your event starts and when it ends. It's also important to select the correct category for your event. Here you can see we have, for example, music and sports, but there's a variety of options here. The tag list at the bottom, you can think of that as almost like a keyword search for when your customers are searching up the events on our TicketCo page. And of course, you'll need to define the location for your event. Note that if you're doing an online or digital event, such as a video on demand or live streaming event, then your street address can be very general. It could be a city or town, for example. It's worth spending time on this page, making sure that you have a really nice description and that all the information about your event is as clear as possible for your customers. We're now going to just head back and look at one event which we've already started creating, which is found under draft. You can use the preview button at the top of the page to see how your page is currently looking for your customers. To start creating your ticket types and assigning prices, you want to go to the Ticket Types tab, which is next to the Event Details tab. Here you can see we've already started creating some ticket types, and we're going to add to this selection now. To add to this capacity which is already created, we're going to click the Edit button and then Create New Ticket Type. If you have not yet created a capacity, that is what you'll create first. The capacity defines the maximum amount of tickets you will sell within one area or within one group of tickets. We've already created some adult tickets and some child tickets, as well as sponsors and students. And now we're going to create another type of ticket for our VIPs. Here we enter the title of the ticket, which will be displayed on the event page. And under category, we're going to keep this as ticket, but bear in mind you can choose different item types and different categories at this point. If, for example, you're selling some snacks and drinks at your event, select the food and beverage category when creating that item type. If you're creating an online digital event with TicketCo Media Services, you might select the video on demand category. Or if you're doing a live streaming event, once you have activated technical information, you'll see the live streaming category here, which you can select. For now, we're going to stick to ticket. Under description, you can describe who the ticket is designed for and any important details around that ticket. This will be displayed on the event page and on the ticket that the customer receives. How to use the item. This is where you can enter in further information about how your customers can use the ticket and if they need to bring with them, for example, any membership cards, or if you have a digital event, you might want to advise your customers how to log into the digital stream. You enter in your price under the End Price Customer field. You can also define your own ticket fee as well as a VAT rate. Our TicketCo fee will be automatically calculated based on your price plan and the price inputted under End Price Customer. Let's say that this ticket is going to cost £3. You can then choose how many tickets of this type are available and the maximum number of tickets which can be ordered within one go. It's important to keep an eye on these two dates here, the start of sales and stop sales, as this will define when this ticket is available for sale. If you want to lock your ticket type behind a promotional code, meaning that only those with the code will be able to access the ticket, you can activate this promo code feature. Select Require Promo Code to buy ticket and enter your code. We're going to say that this ticket is locked behind the phrase VIP 2021. The sales channels at the bottom here describe where your ticket will be on sale or where your item will be on sale. And finally, we're going to save that. Once you've added a selection of ticket types or item types, you can also adjust how many you want available on sale. Next, we're going to see how you can assign a seating arrangement or a seat map to your events. Select the Seating Arrangement tab and then Assign Seating Arrangement. Here you'll be able to choose any seat maps that you have activated on your account, and then you'll be able to select which ticket types will be available on all sections of your map. Select Save, and then you'll see a display of your map. To assign specific ticket types to specific areas on the map, go to Price Zones. Here you'll see a summary showing which tickets are available in which zones of the map. We're going to say that our VIP tickets are only available in Block 6, so we can add them as such. Our adult tickets, which are priced differently according to Blocks 1 to 3 versus 4 to 5, we can assign the relevant areas of the map. If you are creating a series of events or a series of football matches, for example, within a season, then you can use the copy feature. To copy the event, enter the title of your new copied event, let's say this is Football Match 2, and select the date of it, and then save. You'll then see your copied event displayed here. Once you have your event fully ready and you're ready to start selling, you can select Publish. Once your event is published and your sales have started, you'll be able to keep track of who has purchased tickets and the amount of purchases under the Report tab within the event. Here you'll see an overview of your event sales and of the settlement for your event. You'll be able to use the filters here to look through certain ticket types and to filter by payment status, amongst other options. The XLS button here will allow you to download an Excel file showing all the purchases on that event. If you would like some reports showing overview of sales for various events, head to your dashboard view or head to the Report tab in the main menu. We hope that this tutorial has given you an overview of how to set up events, establish ticket types, and assign seat maps to those events. For further details and for more in-depth explanations, check out our support articles.